How to play Minecraft LAN with friends. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to play Minecraft LAN with friends. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So the first step, if you haven't already started one, it is to create a single player world. Pretty simple. Under the single player tab, select create world and then select your game options. There is no specific set or settings for your world. This will not affect your friend from later joining in the game. After you have started your single player world, press escape on keyboard for PC and this will bring up the pause menu. Then in the lower right corner, select the open LAN button, customize your multiplayer option. Then lastly, select start LAN world in the lower left corner and a 5-digit LAN number will pop up in the chat. Make sure you remember it. After that, find your IPv4 address in settings. If you're not sure what this is or how to find it, there are many helpful articles and videos on the web. Now call up your friend or whatever you use to communicate with them and have them selected a multiplayer option on the home screen. Next, they need to click the direct connect option on the bottom of the screen. After they have the direct connect screen open, tell them to put in your IPv4 address. When they have typed in the character by character, add a colon directly at the end of this string of characters. After the colon, they will need to put in the LAN number you produced earlier. After you selected open to LAN, there should be no spaces in between any of the numbers or characters. Then, when you have completed all the steps above, tell them to select join server at the bottom and watch the magic happen. So in this very simple way, you could play multiplayer using LAN on Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.